Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music or how to add a sound file to Canva. So please don't forget to like and subscribe before we begin, and let's dive in. And so here we got this project, and this is the timeline, right? So we'd like to upload an audio. So we'll go click here on uploads, as you can see in the left side between design, elements, text, brand, and uploads. So we go here for uploads and then we select between images, videos, and audio. We'll go here to audio and then we'll click by upload files or record yourself. So we'll click here and then we can upload any audio file from here. And once we upload the file, we can able to take this to the timeline over here by drag and drop. And that's how we can add an audio file to Canva. So please, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.